How is everyone doing? Today is a Wednesday, and I'm preparing a pasta recipe. For those who are new, don't forget to subscribe. I'm adding my pasta in some hot water, which is already having some cooking oil and salt seasoned. So after this, I'm going to start off on another dish. Some chicken breasts, some 2 cloves of garlic, some dill herbs, and some butter. After which, I'm going to slow down the heat, let this cook and have that nice golden color. Baste that chicken properly, take it out once it's well cooked, and add in another butter. Slide that garlic and fresh chili, onions and green peas into that. Give it a good mix, and add in a chicken stock cube, some salt and black pepper, some garlic powder, and here I'm having some cooking cream from a supermarket. You can get it from any supermarket near you. Add into the mixture, and also don't forget to add the pasta as well, and mix in the pasta to this dish to incorporate all the flavors. And also lower the heat, because the cream does dry up quite fast, so low moderate heat works. Some chili flakes, which are optional for those who don't like spicy. The cream itself is very tasty as well. I sprinkle some more black pepper. I like my pepper. I love me some pepper. So for those guys who are new to this platform, for all the new subscribers that have joined in this family for this week, I want to appreciate you. And also for the people who are viewing this video for the first time on this platform, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for viewing the video this far. Don't forget to leave a comment. Let's engage. Do try out the recipe yourself and let me know what you think. It's very easy to prepare. It's a nice light meal that you can have either on lunch or even in the afternoon. Do enjoy your day, and also stay tuned for the next video by clicking on the notification bell.